Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of euro dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of euro USD in front of us. As discussed yesterday, the levels on euro USD are working, but the problem is that market is not very good right now, because we can see that though market is standing at the support level we have discussed, but market is not going up. This is a 4-hour chart and market has already formed 5 candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For almost 20 hours, market is standing on the support. Market is respecting the support, but buyers in the market does not have the strength. Buyers in the market does not have the potential right now to take the market up. So this is the problem with the chart of Euro USD as of now. If you look at forexfactory.com, then we can see that Fed Chair Powell testifies, yes, testimony is coming, so be careful, market will be volatile again. If you are a beginner, new trader, if you do not have much capital right now, you are in a very tight spot, then you should try to close down all your US dollar positions right before the news, because market may be extremely volatile. And during this type of volatile markets, the stop losses also do not work, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And in my time zone, the news is coming, okay, around 7:30 p.m. So if you're not sure about the time, go to any economy calendar, change the time zone, you'll come to know, okay, at what time you need to be extra careful. Okay, so let's look at the chart of DXY. So DXY is trying to recover, though we cannot see extreme buying power, but yes, buyers in the market are trying their best to take the market up. We discussed two resistance on the chart of DXY. The first of all, 102.57, which worked yesterday. We could see that market faced some selling pressure, as a result of which market also formed 3 to 4 red candles. Okay, but we can see that market did not come down. Okay, there's a high chance that market will try to go up again. So this time, do not trust the resistance of 102.57. Okay, because when it worked, it did not work properly. The sellers in the market could not push the market towards the downside. So this level is no longer valid for us, and you need to focus on the next resistance on DXY, which is around 102.72, the level we discussed yesterday and also on Saturday. And in case market becomes volatile, market shows few green candles on DXY by the European session, then obviously this level will also knock, and you need to look for resistance around that 103 level, 103 on DXY. Why? Because we have a trend line coming from the top, and the trend line has been acting as dynamic resistance for quite some time, for a few days and weeks. Along with that, we also have a 50 moving average around the same area. So yes, market will be facing some selling pressure around 103 level. If market reverses, we can plan our trades accordingly. The reason behind discussing about DXY is that so that you can plan all your US dollar positions. Now let's look at Euro USD. So my dear friend, if you already have a buy position on Euro dollar, then be on the trade, no need to exit. Okay, because market is still standing at the support only. But in case during the day, if you see then market is not going up, market is forming red candles, then obviously you should try to exit and do not take a sell position, because for the market to go down, market requires volume, and if volume is missing, then obviously it can be a false breakout or false breakdown. So if market fails also to go up, do not take a sell position, because see, this type of market, when there is less volatility, less volume, you should strictly avoid. So then you can look for some buy around 1.0880. This is your next support on the chart of Euro USD, and the next support will be, or the second support on the chart of Euro dollar will be around 1.0880. In simple words, if this particular level fails, you need to look for next support around 1.0880 or 1.0850. But you should avoid any sell position below this support level, because right now market does not have volume, and without volume there is a high chance of false breakout. By European session, if market breaks the support with volume, then you can look for some sell, but otherwise it's better to avoid for safety reasons. So if market takes support around these areas, and obviously we can look for a buy position. But as I said earlier, if you already have a buy position on Euro USD because of the present support here, no need to exit beyond the trade as long as market is trading in above this level. Personally, I have not taken any buy position on Euro USD because I do not prefer to take buy position or sell position on charts that do not move. Okay, and here we can clearly see that market is having some volatility issues right now. On the other hand, if market shows upside by the European session, then obviously the resistance level that we have been discussing for the last couple of days of 1.1000 is still very much valid. But 1.1000, yes, undoubtedly it's a good resistance where we can look for a sell position, but the level is far away. So as a result of which, we can also look for sell opportunity around 1.0970. But before the news only, 1.0970 is not a proper resistance. 1.0970 is just a previous high, but right now as there is not much volatility, so as a result market will not be able to cross it. But once market is back with volatility, market has volume, then obviously market will break 1.0970. Try to understand my point here. What is the structure of the market? Structure of the market is like this. Okay, and to break this structure, break the previous highs, market always needs volume. When market will not have sufficient volume, market will not be able to cross the previous high, and here we can look for a sell. Okay, so the previous high in trending market usually do not work as a good resistance, but right now market does not have volume. That's why we can look for sell around 1.0970. But if it breaks it, your level will be 1.1000. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD. Be careful during the news, and if market becomes extremely volatile, do not look for reversal levels, because whenever fundamentals dominate, technicals usually do not work. So these levels will only work before the news only. And that's a harsh reality we need to accept. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management.